Hello, today we'll show you how easy it is to install a water-resistant laminate floor in your bathroom. Let's get started. Installing laminate flooring has a medium level of difficulty, roughly a 3 out of 5. For a bathroom of about 15 to 20 square meters, you should plan for about 1 day of work. If 2 people work together, you can significantly reduce the time needed. For a floating installation, you'll need enough laminate planks. It's best to include about 5% extra to cover offcuts. You'll also need an underlay, skirting boards, transition profiles, and silicone for the joints. Helpful tools include spacers, a folding rule, and a tapping block. And for cutting the planks, make sure you have the right cutting tool. Before installation, the laminate planks need to acclimatize for 48 hours. Make sure the temperature and humidity in the room match the recommended values. The subfloor must be dry and clean. Any uneven spots greater than 2 mm per meter need to be leveled out. After that, you can lay the underlay across the entire surface. Make sure the rows connect neatly to protect your laminate floor effectively. We're using the 2-in-1 solution Silenzio Duo. It not only protects against moisture thanks to the integrated vapor barrier, but also reduces impact noise and is suitable for underfloor heating systems. For the installation, we're using the NatureSense Aqua laminate flooring with the waterproof Aqua CLIC installation system. It protects the floor from penetrating moisture for up to 24 hours and allows easy floating installation. Before you begin, measure the dimensions of the room. Ensure that the last row measures at least 5 centimeters. If needed, trim the first row lengthwise so that both the first and last rows are at least 5 centimeters wide. Start the installation by placing the tongue side of the first plank toward the wall, with the groove side facing you. Temporary planks on both ends, which you'll remove later, can help guide the placement of the first row. Lay the floorboards using the CLIC system and connect them with a hammer and tapping block until everything is aligned. To cut the planks, mark the desired length and trim them with a laminate cutter or saw. You can use the cut-off piece directly at the start of the next row, as long as it is at least 20 centimeters long. This will guarantee a sturdy and appealing installation. In tight spaces, a pull bar can help you tap the planks into place. Now you can add the next row and remove the temporary guiding planks. Slide the installed rows into their final position. Maintain a gap of at least 8 to 10 millimeters from the walls for the expansion joint. Corners and edges can be cut to fit as needed. Now you can lay the remaining floorboards plank by plank throughout the entire room. When you reach the last row, you will need to cut the floorboards to size. Measure the required width, mark it on the plank, and then cut it accordingly. You can cover the expansion joint in the shower with a round cord and silicone joint. This provides extra protection against moisture penetration. Skirting boards cover the expansion joint along the walls, giving the floor a clean, finished look. And just like that, your new water-resistant laminate floor is installed in the bathroom and ready for everyday use.